Hey, what is up guys? In today's video we're going to be testing the Holybro Kopis 2. So I'm about to start flying this guy and put around 20 packs in it and see how well it performs. It's a bit windy right now, but the weather just the wind kind of dies down and goes up. So it should be pretty good. We'll try to get a couple good flights in here. Right now it's just starting to pick up a little. But overall, this is going to be pretty interesting. It's rocking the ICM gyro, so it's a super sensitive gyro rocking with the Xt60 4-in-1 ESC V2 edition and ATLATL VTX. So I have high hopes for this guy. Just because I've seen some of the things online and Holybro doesn't really disappoint most of the time. And I'm a big fan of their Holybro Xt32. It's because of the testing, the ESC testing and everything. Those tested really well. Hopefully there's not a lot of audio, wind noise in the audio. And overall, this thing should in theory perform, and hopefully it does. So enough talking, let's just jump to it, guys. Alright guys, so far there's no noise, it's absolutely smooth, there's no bounce backs, and the FPV video feed looks really good, and I'm just really enjoying it right now. So let's go ahead and thrash this guy. Really nice actually. That's a properly well executed ICM gyro, I can tell you that right now. You know, the only thing that I kind of don't like currently is the fact that just the camera placement, because the props are in the shot. But overall, look at it, it's just flying really nice. Look at that, oh my god. Let's see something. Yeah, that's really good. Look at this. I'm gonna kill my batteries here. I can buy new batteries. Whoa! That is just awesome. Again. Oh shit! Almost died there. Oh my goodness. Up in there. You know, it's funny because when people usually almost crash, like you're going, and we go hit this gap where we almost crashing, you're just like, oh yeah, I'll just have to do a flip. I don't know why, but I have that. I've seen it on a couple people's YouTube video or flight footage, and I do the same thing also. I don't know why, it's like this reaction. It's a really funny reaction. It's flying really freaking good. Like really nice. It's so predictable. Look at this. I'm just flicking it everywhere. Whoa. Yeah, if you don't give throttle there, you would have hit the ground, buddy. Alright. Battery dead. Come on. I don't want to lose this thing in the trees. I really love it. Yeah, this is a BNF that is totally recommended. Really recommended actually. Look at this. I love this thing. Wow. You know, this goes to show, if you can set up an ICM gyro with a really nice setup, holy crap. Oh my goodness. And by the way, I'm on 8K. I haven't lifted. I don't want to lift this thing. I'll probably do it later, but I'm enjoying it currently, and I just want to enjoy the living out of it. Look at this. The motors, everything about this is just freaking premium. Even the packaging. Or the carrying case here. If we use different props, it's going to perform a little better also. Look at this, I just barely punched it and I'm just like to the moon there. My batteries are pretty bad, so we're not seeing its full power here. But I'm still having a lot of fun with this thing. It's really nice. Look at it, it's just so predictable. Oh my goodness, I thought I lost it there. Alright, that's it, the battery's dead. That'll land. Alright, ready? Oh, wrong one. Make sure everything's running. And let's go. Wow, this thing is a beast. I had a little fail safe right there. Because I have the transmitter so low. So smooth. It's really nice. to go through something right now. Yeah, the video is fixed. Comes out of the box at A1, 25 milliwatts. There's a bit of wind now, so that can affect some of the performance or the smoothness, but also it could handle it very well also. It's a nice possibility. And it's really good premium components here. It's really nice. I wanted to go through that thing, but I can't. I just remembered. So I had a failsafe here last time. Yeah, there we go. It's because I have the transmitter up now, so I didn't failsafe. I'm basically holding it to the ground. I'm sitting down right now. Yeah, look at that power. Wow. This thing's a beast. That wasn't even a full battery. Oh no. That's really nice actually. Well, I'm just gonna get stuck saying really nice because I'm just having a lot of fun with this thing. I didn't have to do anything. I just plugged it in, just started flying. Obviously charge my batteries. That's expected. Alright, let's land this guy. Yeah, so this guy's handling very, very well actually. And I'm loving it, to be honest. There we go. Awesome. Alright guys, so my review of the Kopis 2. What do I think of it? I think it's an absolute, really well executed beast. It's one of the few BNFs that could run ICM gyro this perfect. Currently from the FPV video feed and the way it's flying and the sound of the motors in the air, it's handling very well, and it's really well executed, and it's just screaming premium. So I'm really loving this, and I totally recommend this for anyone right now. I'm just gonna keep flying this one. It's a quad. You know, lately I've been thinking like I need a quad that I trust so I can go fly over the rivers, and this is the quad I'm actually going to take with me. Even though I had that failsafe down there, but I was holding it basically my transmitter to the ground, so it just lifted it up and then it was fine. I retested that, but yeah, overall I'm impressed. It's really, really good, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is my review of the Kopis 2, and if you guys want to see more flight videos of this guy, let me know down in the comment section because I recorded quite a few, and maybe I'll just upload every once in a while a couple videos here and there. But overall, it's a really good beast. The Tico 32 ESCs have been tested, and the filtration on them is absolutely phenomenal. So is the FETs on them are really good. The ICM gyro, this is the holy grail of an ICM gyro BNF here, and to be honest, I didn't expect this. I really didn't. I thought I was gonna have a little something here and there, but no, it proved me wrong 100%, and totally recommended. It's a nice little beast actually. And well, that's gonna conclude it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is my review of the Kopis 2, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.